I'm currently packing for my next trip. So I've kind of gotten a system down. I'm trying to only do carry-on, no checked bags. The trip is 15 days, and the weather's gonna be like sunny, warm. So yeah, let me show you how I pack. So we're doing several water activities. So I got like 1, 2, 3 bathing suits and then an extra top and then maybe some shorts here. So that should be good, I'm hoping. So 3, 3.5, 4 swimsuits. Then pajamas, I'm doing 4 tops, 3 short sleeve, 1 long sleeve, and then 4 bottoms. I got 2 shorts and then 2 like longer pants. And we will have access to washing machines, I believe twice in the trip. So I'll be able to wash, which is always necessary if you're packing just for carry-on. So yeah, washing machines will be available. And then tops, I'm doing 7, 8. So I do a lot of neutrals, like very basic things, and then a couple graphic tees are always easy. And then bottoms, I'm bringing 3 pants, long pants, and then 3 shorts, and then 1 like jumpsuit romper thing here. And I like to do it where like everything's interchangeable, or for the most part. Like that shirt could go with jeans, that could go with jeans, that could go with the green shorts, that could go with jeans, that could go with that could go with that, like, here, let me show you. So like, here's an example of how these 3 would go, but like this would also work. So I don't like to plan out specific outfits because once I'm there, I don't know how I'm feeling. I might want to wear shorts instead of jeans. So I kind of do it where I have the freedom to choose that day based on how I'm feeling, what I want to wear. Here are some more combinations that could work. Or something like this could also work. So I just like to have tons of options. I'm also all about comfort. So notice how none of these have like buttons or zippers. They're just comfy. They're just like elastic basically. So I do have some jeans, but like I love comfort. So I just want to be comfortable my whole time. So yeah, I mostly pack for comfort. My next tip is packing cubes. These are awesome. So I'm gonna fold everything up here and then show you how I pack the packing cubes. So I found if you do it on the floor, it's better, or it's easier to, how do I say this? It like fits better, or you can stuff it better, I guess. Because if it's on the bed, it's like the squishy mattress, but on the floor, it's like firmer. So you can stuff it in and then zip it a little bit easier on the floor. And then I like to do it by category. So I try to put pants together, shirts, like pajamas, socks and underwear. So yeah, let's pack some packing cubes. then this is my new bag I got just the other day from Amazon. So it's a backpack and yeah, it's a carry-on size. So that's what it looks like. It's from Baboon to the Moon. I'll try to link it down in the description if you're interested. But yeah, it looks really sturdy. It's waterproof, and I'm excited to use it on this trip. And we're gonna see if all these fit in here nicely. These are also from Amazon. They were a gift, but I'll try to find them and put them down. And I'm gonna try, so these can also compress even more. See these zippers? So I'm gonna try first without compressing if it'll fit. But if not, we can always compress them if need be. And I like this because the opening is on the back, like the part that's gonna be touching your back, so no one can sneak up on you and like steal, like open your bag and steal stuff. So I like that feature. And my favorite part about this bag is probably the lining. Look how fun! I like the eyes, and it's blue. It's like bright. So yeah, I like this bag so far. So let's see if it'll fit. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and compress these because it's already pretty tight, Okay, not too bad though. Actually, maybe it's fine. It does fit, so let's see. Okay. Yeah, everything fits. I do also need to pack my toiletries and that's it, I guess. Oh yeah, and snacks. Let's go pack some snacks. So yeah, when I'm traveling, I get hangry. When I'm hangry, I just like need a little snack. And sometimes if you're at the airport, you don't want to spend like $14 on a sandwich. So I've learned to always have snacks. So I got some nuts, some walnuts, and almonds. And then I also got some with cherries. Then I got some granola bars here. Some like breakfast bar type things. I don't know, I just grabbed things that were easy and like I could pack well. This might get squished. I'm not gonna bring this whole bag, but I got some popcorn. It's always a good snack. I got some trail mix. I'm gonna put in little baggies. And then I got some chips, some Pringles, snack packs. So yeah, those are my snacks. Those are my packing tips. I'll try to add anything else if I think of anything. But yeah, I'm excited for this trip. I'm excited for you guys to see where we're going and what we're doing. If there's any guesses, leave them in the comments. It's yeah, it's gonna be warm and sunny. Well, maybe a little rainy, maybe. But yes, I'm excited. So stay tuned and I'll see you very soon. Bye.